Hey Aaron, I just want to say a great thank you for everything you do for the guys here at Teen Challenge, for us as a staff, for Teen Challenge as an organization. Your support, your encouragement to the guys, the Way of the Wild Heart weekend, it's so invaluable that these guys know that there is new life and new hope uh, in recovery, and that hope can look like a man, strong, powerful, but still gentle and encouraging. And I can't express enough how much I look so forward to these Way of the Wild Heart weekends. It's the highlight of my year. I enjoy it. Every time the guys come back, they're refreshed, they're invigorated, they're rejuvenated, and it just speaks volumes to you making that available to them, making yourself available to them, and your resources available to them. May God bless you in that. And again, thank you so much. We really cannot express how much it means to us. Thank you.